Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices are going down tomorrow for a third consecutive week. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $3.06 less. The price of automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also sell for $3.06 less. Kerosene will also lose $3.06. Propane will go down by $1.58 and butane will decline by $2.23. Meanwhile, oil futures gained more than 1% today, extending gains for a third session. This after U.S. government data showed that fuel demand climbed to its highest since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, Brent crude gained $1.20 to settle at $72.25 a barrel. Now back home, output in local agricultural produce jumped to a new quarterly record for April to June 2021. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green updated the nation on the sector's first quarter performance at the ministry's quarterly press briefing this morning.
We have passed the 200,000 ton mark. Domestic crop production for the April to June quarter has increased by 20.3% over the corresponding quarter of 2020. And in figures, in real terms, we moved from production of 170,027 tons in 2020 to, for the April to June quarter, 594.8 thousand tons.
Now, a 27% increase in vegetables, 20% increase in production of condiments such as onions and scallion, plantain outputs growing by 25%, and a 19% jump in yam production supported the growth. There was also a 12% increase in land under production. The cost of alumina on the global market has hit a 6-month high after Sunday's blaze at the Jamaica refinery in Clarendon led to fears of tighter supply. Now, Reuters reports that alumina futures have increased to $302.14 per ton. This is up from $300.48 US on Friday, the highest since February 25 this year. Now, Hong Kong-based Noble Group Holdings, which partners with the Jamaican government in the Jamaica venture, said that the fire broke out in the facility that produces power, compressed air and steam for alumina refining operations. Noble Group said a full assessment of damage will be done in the coming days. The Jamaica plant can produce up to 1.4 million tons of alumina per year, which is refined from bauxite. According to the International Aluminium Institute, global alumina production in 2020 was 134.4 million tons. Now back home, it costs $152.92 to purchase the U.S. currency. The Canadian dollar is trading at $121.42. The pound is going for $207.94 and $181.16 for the euro. The JSE Index gained 3,054 points today, while the Junior Market Index lost 8 points. Among today's advances were Radio Jamaica, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Portland JSX, Cygnus Credit Investment US dollar shares, and Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, while on the losing side were Main Event Entertainment Group, Kingston Properties, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, and Stationery and Office Supplies Limited. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news right after this break.